Hi guys, it's Jen from Jandle in the City, where I unbox luxury goods, pre-loved items, as well as some beauty. If you're new to my channel or if you're returning, welcome. If you haven't yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button below. I'd love to welcome you to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be two small items from Hermes that came in these two small boxes. The first one, here's the receipt. Okay, so let's open it up to reveal one of their new lipsticks. Gorgeous packaging. If you're wondering why I'm wearing the protective gloves, I was told by my UPS and my FedEx driver to do so because you never know who has the virus and that it does linger on cardboard and plastic up to days. Not sure if you guys were aware of that or not. Thought I'd explain. So it comes in this cute little box. Open it up. With the standard Hermes packaging there. And all you do is push it like this. I love this packaging. I'm going to keep these little boxes. It comes in this little dust bag. Looks like a burlap type fabric. Get it out. Look at the packaging on that. It does feel quite heavy. I love the colors, the gold, the black, and also the white. Oh, it's got a magnetic top on it, which is really handy, and then if you carry it in your purse or your bag, you're not going to lose the lid. Look at the top of that. Such detail. Can you guys see that? Beautiful with the gold and the big H on it. Brilliant. I love that. So let's go ahead and take it off. It does have a little bit of smell to it. There's the color I got. It's a lot darker than what I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be more of a lighter pink. It's got Hermes written across the bottom there. And the color on this one, you're looking at number 18, Rouge Encens. I think that's how you pronounce it. Pardon me for not pronouncing it properly. I don't want to go ahead and swatch this one, but I'm thinking about giving this one as a giveaway. These ones retail here in Canada for, I think it was $87. So it cost me almost $99 for this one lipstick. That is just crazy. But nevertheless, had to have one. It's just gorgeous. They did come in some limited edition packaging, but unfortunately, time I got to the website, they were all sold out. These sell out pretty quickly. Look at the color though. Really pretty. Love the packaging. Love the weight to it. Very, very nice. So like I said, I might use this as a giveaway. Really nice. Put it back in the packaging. Boxes are really nice. I think that's what really got me, was the beautiful packaging. Very, very nice. Second one again, Hermes. The envelope's a little crinkled up. Anyway, nevertheless, came in this box. A little different than the other one. Let's go ahead and open it up. And it came like this in the bubble wrap. Go ahead and take it out. My bangs are growing out and they're just driving me crazy. So, you guys know what comes in this little box. The Hermes ribbon. Oh wow, this one's very tight. Pardon me for a second. And I have a Twilly My favorite color is green and also pink, so I picked up this beauty. And I also love butterflies. Look at the butterfly on this one. This is what drew me to it, was the green, the butterfly, and the little bit of pink. Just gorgeous. I'm thinking about getting another one of this one. Let's flip it over. And you know these ones are 100% silk. Just beautiful. Look at the vibrant colors. And it has the information there if you guys are interested. Sorry, I think I've got it upside down. Yes, I do. Pardon me. Right there, guys. And it is, what is this one made in? This one's made in France. Now, this is my first Twilly from this house. I plan on getting more. Look at the yellow butterfly on this side. I was watching Pink Butterfly's channel, and she had one of these. That's where I saw it, and I thought, I need to get me one of those. But isn't it not gorgeous? Look at the green. So vibrant. Once again, let's flip it over. It's beautiful. I know my gloves don't look very nice in the video, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do to stay safe. Colors are gorgeous. I think this one came in 4 different colors. I'll have to go on there and find out, and I'll link it below. But those are my items from Hermes. So I'm gonna go on there when I'm done videoing, and I think I'm gonna purchase another one. Just stunning. And I'm also thinking about getting a pair of their sandals, but I'm not quite sure if they fit true to size. So I'll have to check that out. So that's it, guys. I hope you stay safe and follow all the rules in regards to if you're quarantined, if you're on a lockdown, or whatever's happening in your city, your town, or your country, so we can drop the curve and let's get back to a normal life. So I wish you all the very best. Stay safe. Till next time. Take care. Bye-bye.